Hey teacher friend, Jason here with Algebra Help Desk. Let's check out our expert number line worksheet. This is only $2.95, and as you can see, it's going to be a really good deal. For one, is you can edit it. You can make easy edits. If you don't like that font, just change it. Start off with the graphic organizer. The information that we'll put in here comes off from our slide deck, or you can look at the answer key in a minute and make your own slide deck, but it's totally up to you. What we do different with this expert level one is we give students an expression, then we give students values for variables, and they got to plug the variable value in and solve. So there's one extra step here than what's on our emerging, or two extra steps compared to our entry. So x plus 6, well, that's 5 plus 6. The student's going to take that 5, start here, move over 1, 5 plus 6, they'll see it's 6. We want to work on their visual, we want our students to be able to visualize what's happening mathematically, and by using the number line to do these simple addition and subtraction problems, we're doing that. It's going to help them out when we get to linear equations and quadratics. So what's the difference between dividing a number by 0 and dividing 0 by a number? That refers to this right here. We want to have a little bit higher level conversation. Now we throw in some PEMDAS, some distribution. But once again, they'll figure out what x is because it's given to them. X is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. But the catch here is they got to come up with their own scale, because these are the expert level students, and we want them to think about proper scaling of graphs. So we do that first with number lines. Once again, we got more questions because I'm a big fan of questions, big fan of differentiation, which is why we have entry, emerging, and expert level to all of our resources. Here's the answer key. With the scaling, you may want to pick a different scale, and that's a good conversation piece to have with students. Why do different people pick different scales? It just, some of it's subjective, but what we want to look for is their rationale, right? But here's the scale we pick. If your students pick something different and you're good with it, you're the teacher. So once again, this is only $3. It's a Google document. If you need it in a Microsoft Word format, you come over to download Microsoft Word. If you're good with how it is and you want to upload it to a learning management software, you can save it as a PDF. And we want our resources to be useful. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know, and I'll be glad to help you out.